watch as the Chihuahua stalks the predator. See how the Horus Papillon follows and flirts with him. Oh, they make eye contact. He sees the butt. He wants it. Oh, but instead she goes for the big German Shepherd. She prefers that black dick. Oh, feisty one. She's out of breath. Emma, you need more practice. She's out of breath. Come on, Emma, you still need one more go around.
Get her, Papa, get her.
It's because I'm taking video. He's shy on camera. Oh, there goes the eyes. He wants the pickle on the floor. Filbert's humping nothing. Look at Rommel's protecting her. Aww. Filbert! Oh, look. Rommel's protecting her. And, oh, hello, Rommel. Okay. And now for next week.